everybody, I've made a lot of StreamElements widgets, and I want to show you today how to lock those behind a channel point. This will require additional software. I'm going to be using Sammi because that's what I like and that's what I'm familiar with, but you can use StreamerBot, Mixup, like any bot should be able to support this. Let's start with the widget. So I have my timer widget that I showed off in the last video, and you'll see I have these various commands. And who can participate? I have it set to the broadcaster. So pretty much all of these, you will need to be able to have it so only the broadcaster can participate. So now we're gonna go over to Sammi. So I'm gonna make a new button, and I'm going to, I'm gonna call it timer. And then I will be editing the trigger. So this is where you will be doing your channel points. I'm gonna choose jiggle. And so now all you really have to do is you do message, Twitch send chat message, and you'll do !timer 1. Just save and close, save that. So now let's try it out. Then I will go ahead and redeem jiggle, and now you will see that the timer gets started. So it's as if I myself had put this into chat. And that is pretty much it for how you can lock some of these widgets that I made behind channel points, if that's what you so desire. You just have to make sure to follow the steps I mentioned. I will see you guys in the next one. If you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to stop by my Twitch stream. I'll see you later. Bye.